It's been real. Head out. Leave PR. Honestly, feeling recharged. Feeling refocused. Feeling like reset. And I think it's essential that everybody find some time to take some time for themselves. Not just for like manifestation purposes or, like self-building, but just for like clarity, man. And it's hard to create clarity when you have all of these other voices in your head, when you have, you roll over and your significant other is right there, and that's the first voice you hear typically every day. Or you get up out the bed and you take a walk, you go into the foyer area, and then there's your kids' room, right? So then you have their voices, their worlds. Or you go into the kitchen and then there's grandma or cousin or whoever it is. Or you pick up your phone, right? And then it's over once you pick up the phone. Now you're in everybody's conversation. Everybody's in your head. It's everybody's world. It isn't even yours anymore. So I think it's so essential. It's so crucial that we find time to make time, to take time for ourselves. So recapping, out of here. It's your boy. I see you at the top because the bottom way too crowded. Peace.